From the Millersville University Weather Center, I'm meteorologist Kyle Elliott here with the medium range forecast and video discussion issued on Monday, June 15th. Well, the good news taking a look at the medium range period is that other than Thursday, the weather is going to be rather dry, tranquil, and temperate across the lower Susquehanna Valley from Friday through the upcoming weekend. So without further ado, let me start by taking a look at the Canadian model for 2 p.m. on Thursday. And what you'll notice here is that we do have this cold front over the eastern Great Lakes region that's going to be sweeping southeastward through the Commonwealth Thursday night into Friday morning. But out ahead of that, there is going to be this prefrontal trough, and along with it will come some showers and thunderstorms. However, I'm not really expecting much in the way of severe weather across northern Maryland and southeastern PA with this one. First, because it looks like that prefrontal trough is going to move through the region during the late morning and early afternoon hours. And secondly, much like this past Friday, out ahead of it, we're going to have this strong west to southwesterly downsloping flow off the Appalachians. So if you think back to Friday, there was this threat for severe weather across the region and nothing at all really happened. And I could see a similar result here on Thursday. Again, I do expect some showers and perhaps a rumble of thunder with this one. But in terms of severe weather, I'm not really expecting much right now. So fingers crossed that that is indeed the case. Thursday will be warmer out ahead of that cold front and a bit more humid. Dew points will be back in the 60s with high temperatures in the mid 80s to perhaps 90 degrees in spots. However, that cold front will sweep off the mid-Atlantic coastline later Thursday night into Friday morning. And much like today, northwesterly winds of 12 to 25 miles per hour will usher much cooler and drier air into the region behind it. The European model seems like it's doing some nonsense. It's trying to take this low pressure system that enters the western Gulf states and then actually develop it into some hybrid tropical system as it moves inland through the southeastern United States. That's not how the weather works. These systems, these hybrid tropical systems, don't develop into deep tropical systems over land. So I would toss this solution right now. I don't think you're going to see all this moisture getting drawn northeastward into the mid-Atlantic states, especially with west-northwesterly flow out ahead of it. So right now, I'm expecting Friday to just be a partly sunny and dry day across the lower Susquehanna Valley, and rather pleasant in terms of temperatures with highs in the upper 70s to perhaps 80 degrees. And then no matter what happens on Friday, it looks like this northwesterly flow becomes stronger than on Saturday. Saturday looks like a great start to the weekend. Partly sunny, low humidity with dew points in the 50s and high temperatures around 80 degrees. Just looks like an awesome day for outdoor summertime activities. And then more of the same on Sunday. We're still left with that northwesterly flow. A little bit of differences here in the models with placement of storm systems in the central states. But here in the mid-Atlantic states, generally dry, mostly sunny and pleasant here as we go through the second half of the weekend. If the Canadians right, there still will be a bit of a breeze out there on Sunday, but the Euro shows lighter winds. Either way you slice it, another great day for outdoor activities with highs in the low 80s. And low temperatures both Saturday and Sunday nights may very well be in the 50s. So great for sleeping with the windows open at night as well. Just an overall beautiful weekend to kick off official astronomical summer. So as we take a look at the medium range forecast period, clouds and sun, very warm and more humid on Thursday with scattered showers and thunderstorms, high 88. Breezy, cooler, and less humid on Friday with a mix of clouds and sun, high 78. Mostly sunny, breezy, and pleasant on Saturday, high 80, and then mostly sunny and seasonably warm on Sunday with highs again around 80 degrees. Well, that'll do it for this edition of the Medium Range Forecast. Tune back in next Monday for the latest edition. Until then, enjoy the beautiful first weekend of summer.